Hey, 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 hey,
What's up, Go family? I'm out here with my Om Duroo. I saw a couple of people that ride bikes do a bike check, like on their bikes and all. So, you know, I was just on do a bike check on mine. A lot of people have been asking like, where did I get a powder coat to buy and all that extra stuff. So, I'm gonna get straight into it. All right, so the bike is originally the 2017 OMDURO. It got powder coated by Prospect Powder. You know, follow him on Instagram, Prospect_Powder. He did everything, literally, except for the pedals, because I ordered plastic ones, and you know, but it's still not done. I still got a little couple things to do, and yeah. So you know, I got the spoke skins on there. You know, I got the Be Seen and Reflex stickers. If you don't go to Be Seen, at least go to Magic Designs or Ride Out Supply. Them three. Tires, I think I got them from Transport Cycles from my other OMDURO, and then I put them on this when I got this, and yeah, I took the front brake off. It originally came with a front brake. It was like sparkling blue and chrome parts and chrome rims. Had like black and gray tires. You know, just look up OMDURO, and it'll probably come up. But you know, I changed the stickers. I put CNC Duro instead of OM. You know. Yeah, if you want anything powder coated, hit up Prospect Powder. And yeah, my brakes, they're just regular Shimanos. Yeah, shout out to SI Bike Shop for this piece and the bar ends. And yeah, I just got regular Shimano brakes. Order them from Amazon. They're like $20–$30. Spam G. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I think this. Yeah. All the gearing's in stock. But a lot of stuff ain't stock on here except for, well, everything's stock except for the bottom bracket, the pedals, you know, the crankseat. Obviously the bike ain't because it's powder coated, so it's definitely not stock anymore. But yeah, it's lit, mate. If you want stickers, follow Be Seen and Reflex on Instagram and hit them up. You know, tell them I sent you. Or if you don't go to him, at least go to Magic Designs or Ride Out Supply. You know, they all look out. There, I told you a little bit about the OMDURO I got. I got a 2018 Fat Ripper too. I'm gonna do a bike check on that, and we're gonna go. Alright, so this is the 2018 Fat Ripper. Mostly everything's stock except for the stickers, the spoke skins. Oh yeah, the brakes ain't stock. They're same brakes on my OMDURO. Shout out to SI Bike Shop for these, for whatever this is. But yeah, it's lit. You know, order your brakes from Amazon. That's where I got them from, Amazon, eBay. They're only like $30. Spoke Skins, hit up Spoke Skins on Instagram. No, go to their website, Be Seen and Reflex. Their Instagram right here. You know, let your. Oh yeah, shout out to my guy, AGX Design, for the peeps. You know, for that sticker. No, but everything's stock basically on here, except for the spoke skins and brakes and stickers. But yeah, but any SE bike is good, so get any SE bike. But the fat bikes are probably the best SE bikes. So if you're looking to get an SE bike, save up for Beast Mode, OMDURO, or 2017, 16, 18 Fat Ripper. They're the best bikes, all them. I used to like the big rippers, but not, you know, I don't really. You know, yeah, this bike is beautiful. I'm gonna get probably different stickers. I'm gonna probably add blue. Looks nice with the blue. The blue tires and all. Alright, so me and my son, Oneway__ out here, about to show you some work on the beautiful bikes and all that, you know. Got the, you know what I mean? And yeah, we're about to show you some work, you know.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, I get a red check, I'ma cop me some choppers and cop me some diamonds. I cannot fuck with lil' shorty, she basic, my bitch is the finest. She gets so mad, I can't give her time, lil' bitch, I am timeless. I know them narcs, they be watching, I know they feel sick, they can't find us. Young niggas serving that pack, you start getting money, can't lack. I'm off a 10, my bitch is a 10, and I'm finna break the bitch back. Yeah, I know them hitters that carry them Rugers and carry them Glizzies and Max. Bitch, we really trapping this shit off the strip, them young niggas running the racks. I'm off a 10, my bitch is a 10, and I'm finna break the bitch back. Yeah, I know them hitters that carry them Rugers and carry them Glizzies and Max. Bitch, we really trapping this shit off the strip, them young niggas running the racks. Bitch, we really trapping this shit off the strip, them young niggas running the racks. We really chasing a pape. With Gucci, I don't fuck with babe. Get a hit of the fuck on my face. Had Bruno shoot you in your face. 38, he ain't leaving a trace. No, he keep that bitch tucked on his waist. She get dick, no, he don't go on dates. After I fuck that bitch, then I skate. After that, then that bitch get replaced. Yeah, you know that bitch get finesse. I was young when I hopped up the steps. Mama told me don't hop out that step, but I had to go give me a check. Mama know that a nigga up next, and these thotties do too, they get neck. Now these niggas want me hop on they track. Now you niggas want me hop on your song. To get money, run off and I'm gone. Pop a prick and I fuck her for long. Off a nana, I'm doing her wrong. She a fan and she know all my songs. Gotta dance about naked and thongs. Hey, I gotta dance about naked and thongs. I'm off a 10, my bitch is a 10, and I'm finna break the bitch back. Yeah, I know them hitters that carry them Rugers, they carry them.
Alright, so we showed you a little work. We couldn't show you too much. One, it's freezing, it's windy. Two, I'm still sick a little bit. I wasn't even gonna make a video today, but you know, I just like, heck it, I'm gonna come out and make a little video real quick. You know, if you guys like it, please put a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, like, comment, you know, go family, we out.